A hero can be many things. We're all familiar with the archetypal hero: courageous, strong, honorable, larger than life. But there are other unsung heroes that quietly do the things we all think are virtuous. For its 2012 Water Hero Award, the city's water conservation program selected just such a hero, the Towbes Group. Over the past few years, the Towbes Group has turned its corporate offices into a model of resource efficiency.
We improved our waste diversion by 38% here at the corporate office. Our water use was another area where we had a significant improvement. That was a 41% reduction in water use, which is about 8,500 gallons per month here at the corporate office. Energy use, we were also able to reduce that by 25%, and that equates to about, I think it's about 4,800 kilowatt hours per month.
Really what prompted the Towbes Group was a group of people that saw this as a real opportunity, and they saw that it was consistent with our company culture. I think conservation and improving where we live, where we do business is consistent with everything that the Towbes Group is trying to do in this community. So I think our water conservation efforts are just part of that corporate culture, if you will.
But the type of reductions the Towbes Group experienced don't come by accident. To help get them on that road to change, the Towbes Group signed up for the county's Green Business Program.
We're somewhat of unknowledgeable about sustainable practices. So the first step was to get educated about it, to find out where the areas of improvement would be, and then how to implement that. And that's where the Green Business Program was really helpful in providing tools and the resources in their partnership with the City of Santa Barbara.
One of those resources included a free water evaluation from the city. During the evaluation, city staff goes over the subject's current water usage, pinpoints areas for improvement, and provides the information needed to achieve those improvements. Using the suggestions from the water evaluation, the Towbes Group accomplished significant water use reductions with an array of upgrades like high-efficiency fixtures and seasonal irrigation. But the Towbes Group wasn't selected as Water Hero just for what they've accomplished at their headquarters. They were chosen because they've also begun to extend their sustainable practices to the many properties they manage.
The Towbes Group manages 26 commercial properties, which is about 1.6 million square feet of commercial space. We manage 13 residential communities, over 2,000 units. So the concept, the big picture is, yeah, we want to continually explore how to roll this through our portfolio. There's obviously a lot of advantages to doing that from a property perspective, and we're trying to make a difference where we can.
The Towbes Group has definitely been able to make a difference at the Rancho Franciscan Senior Apartments.
And they've been encouraging all of the residential sites to be green wherever they can. Scan when you can, and use better paper products that are more biodegradable. In 2008, we retrofitted all of our, not only the common area, but the apartment light fixtures to T8 bulbs. Also the same year, we replaced all of our exit signs with LED lights, which are energy savings. And in our newsletter, we've been putting little recycle reminders, and we're going to start putting water saving tips, just some tips of the month, just to keep that in everyone's mind.
Over the years, Rancho Franciscan has saved water from such improvements as weather-based sprinkler controllers, low-flow toilets, and mulch. In 2011, they also changed their planters from sprinkler water to drip, a switch that has had some significant side benefits.
We're a senior community, so we're always conscious of safety issues, so having puddles is not a good thing. Anything that's trippable or slippable, we really try to avoid, so not having as much overspray on the sidewalks is very good.
You're not getting spray that's going onto the buildings and deteriorating the stucco or causing some maintenance issues, so that's a long-term benefit.
Besides saving money on its monthly water bills, Rancho Franciscan also saved money on the upfront costs thanks to the city's Smart Landscape Rebate Program. The program offers potentially thousands of dollars of rebates on approved irrigation equipment and landscape materials.
What was interesting is that we had changed landscapers in, I think, 2011, early 2011, and they were the first ones to suggest that we could make that conversion. And the rebate was just a surprise bonus.
But what makes the Towbes Group a great water hero is that they exemplify how conservation isn't just good for the environment or the city's water supply. It's just plain good business.
You know, if you can identify a return on investment for a capital improvement, then, you know, it might make sense. And, you know, over a number of years, you'll be saving those dollars in water usage, for instance. Then that improvement might make sense, and you can budget for that.
We think our residents really appreciate our efforts, and we think that the payoff will be in more than just dollars and cents. We think that it will build brand loyalty to the Towbes Group. It will build loyalty to the communities where these people live. So we see it as, you know, not only an investment in conservation, but we really see it as an investment in our brand, in our communities, and something that will not only build sustainability from the natural resources, but it will also build sustainability for our business model and our business practices.